Hey y'all, guess what? It's tea time. Let's chop it up. What's on your mind? Come up, wine. I know you for some tasty food.
Come on in,
And ring that bell. Come on in.
Please don't give us.
What's up? What's up? What's up? Cheese and buzz. How y'all doing this morning? Anyway, guys, check this out. What I got going on. Tamales.
I think I'm a rename.
Making chicken tamales, y'all. Oh, but go get the cheese. I'm gonna make chicken cheese tamales. Oh, it up, jiggle, jiggle. It folds. I like to see you wiggle, wiggle. For sure. No copyright. So, the cheese is mozzarella too. I'm gonna cut to make some cheese and green. It's that big white block. So I'm gonna do a couple in front of you. So my battery about to die. Yeah, that. Oh, it's Monterey Jack. Yum.
Just that one or
I want that one too, but wash your hands and get some gloves. Make a couple of those for me too. Just gonna put some cheese out so I don't put my masa hands into the cheese bag. So I got a big bowl of masa. I poured the chicken juice after I cooked it, like, ooh, all the goodness with the seasoning. I poured that inside the masa, so I season it some. Put your gloves. So, I'm gonna cut your tamale shell. Grab a good helping of masa. And do it like a blunt. Make a little hole for some meat. The meat is juicy. I like juicy.
I don't like that word.
You don't like the word juicy?
I don't like the word juicy moist.
Why?
I don't know.
I got like that. I look like a chili dog.
What does?
Then you get some more masa.
Why is it so bright?
Kind of cover the top. This is going to be a big ass tamale.
Black nose on.
I'm going to near the camera so you can see me.
What's your chair? Dang, I got the wrong food. Wait. What's so bright?
Okay, so next time I'm not going to put so much masa at the bottom.
Because you need the masa at the top.
Yeah, because when I start folding, it's going to spread. So, this is how I covered mine up, y'all.
That seems easy.
So you flip. Keep your tucks tight. Keep your tucks tight. And then fold. Looks good to me. Then you put it in your pot.
That's easy enough. Give me that. Ooh.
So watch mommy.
It looks like the fan.
Go like this, like a taco. Wrong way. Wrong way. Look at mine. Cool. Just cover it like a taco. Yep. Grab your masa. Put it down at the thick end. The long end. You're so goofy.
Ellie.
And put it out. No. Oh, you're not listening. Put it down at the end. Or right there, but spread it. But you need to leave an open space. I mean, enough up here to fold. It's kind of bright. You can see, huh?
I know it's bright. Mama, I think he froze it.
That's because you're not cupping your hand like I told you. Yeah. Like, you know.
Okay, make room for that. I have way more tamale than you. Put the brightness down. Tap on it. Put it down. There. That's better.
Way better. Okay, so we're going to add some meat in yours. You're going to push all the meat down and you want to cheese it out one too?
And this is so good. Yeah. Can I eat the meat? Can I eat the meat? Give me a little bite of the meat. That's not enough meat. I want more meat. I want meat, cheese, meat.
Yeah, but you don't have to put that much in a tamale. Push it all down in the middle.
We have more filling than tamale. That's good though. It's a little filling.
And push the meat all the way down in there. Mm-hmm. A little bit more mousse on top.
A little bit. Jesus. A little more mousse on top. Wait. Where are you going? Oh, she's here?
Back to work, yeah.
Okay, I love you.
Yeah, she's sick.
I love you.
Oh, you guys.
Tell her I hope she feels Tell her I hope she feels better.
I don't care.
Oh, I forgot about that. I'll eat it later. Okay, I got it. Like this? How'd you do that? You skipped like 50 times ahead of me.
Take over. I'm going to say
So.
Is she hungry?
Yeah.
Huh?
I don't know how to do this. Easy. I don't know how to do this. Someone's dripping. I think I made mine too thick. Like me. I want to drink the drink, but my hands are dirty. And I want to eat the meat. I'm going to eat all those ingredients by the time my mom comes back. There's cheese on the seat. Can't eat it. Hello. How's your day been while we wait? It's been okay? That's kind of good. Mine's been okay too. It was good. But it was really good actually. I don't have no bites. What's your favorite color? I don't know. What's your favorite color? That's a pretty color. My favorite color is black. It's black or blue. Or baby blue. Black and baby blue. Maybe blue is okay too. But I like it. Baby. Did y'all pop some fireworks this year? Well, New Year's Eve? Because I did. They were so loud.
What are you talking to, dude?
No one! I'm talking to the viewers. Talking to the subscribers. Why is mommy gonna come back? I think I hear her footsteps. Well, nice talking to you. I think I should. I still have my tamale. And I don't know, because I don't know how to wrap it, because she, like, skipped, like, 5 steps ahead of me, 50 steps ahead of me. What is she? I hear her talking, like, very close to our door. Well, while she's still gone, what's your favorite fruit? Do you like tamales? I like tamales, but it's not my favorite. My favorite is enchiladas, especially my mom's enchiladas. It's so good. Comment down below. What's your favorite food? That's it. I keep hearing this, but it's carrots. We don't have carrots. But bye, Daddy. I love you. See you next time.
Make a good tamales.
Mama, where are you? The meat is right there. It looks very tasty. Don't do it. Wow, we're hungry. Finally, she's here. So nice talking to you guys. Your favorite color is really pretty. I like that color. I just don't like the color pink. I don't know why. Mom, come on. I don't know how to wrap it. Still busy. Can I put down my tamale real quick? What did you eat for breakfast? I didn't really eat nothing today. I did eat some potted meat with crackers. That was for lunch though. For breakfast, we don't have no. I think I had I forgot what I ate for breakfast. My grandma says I'm getting old because I was drawing in the car and I was like, where's my pen? And then I noticed, oh, it's in my mouth. Because I always take off my pen like this and I write them off and I draw. And I was like, where's my pen? And it was in my mouth. And my grandma's like, that's how you know you get old. The memory's gone. I'm like, Darren, you need to go to the bathroom. Bye, Daddy. Love you. See you next time. They have some onions for 76 cents. Okay, I thought they were dollars. For some 4 onions, 5 onions. There he is. Come on.
You see them balling out?
Yeah. He's here.
Sorry, guys.
That was nice talking.
Cookie Monster.
No! I'm not Cookie.
You're Cookie Monster.
No.
You're my Cookie Monster.
No. No one's Cookie. Not. I need help. I've been here talking
You
to
been
the viewers.
girl, that's you ain't. She ain't wrapped it at all. Sippers, y'all don't tell her what to do.
I don't know what to do.
Wrap it. Look at how mommy's is. Girl, wrap that thing up, girl. Oh, is it wrapped tight?
I don't know.
Wrap it tight. Tight, wrap it tight with all your might. And then flip.
Oh, that's pretty easy.
You think?
Yeah.
Oh, but no, you need to.
Put it out.
Yeah. Cool. She did pretty good there, Sippers.
We had a talk while you were gone.
Uh-oh.
His favorite color was really favorite. I told him I didn't like the pink color though.
She doesn't like pink girls.
I don't know why. But I just don't like it.
You don't have to like it.
I don't know. I was just telling them
Oh,
that's their favorite color. It's pink.
a lot of
But
girls.
it's okay. I still like you. I don't care about your favorite color. I just care about your personality